a sale. You know, like I said, it is such a sensitive thing to talk about, and there's so little we can say, but if you've got
or that it rains before the start of play, which is disappointing.
So it would be disappointing. My radar's now saying that it'll be at 8 minutes past, so it might get 2 overs. There we go. So that's...
I don't think that's going to stop them, but it's illegal to have a living person on the money. Do you know why that is in America? There's a law from 1866 that you're not allowed to put a person on the bill because they issued a 5-cent note and the guy who worked at the Treasury put himself on the note. Isn't that glorious? They wanted to do a note on